Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Vicks Cool Moisture Humidifier running efficiently. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Before cleaning, turn off, unplug, and remove the filter and accessories from the humidifier. Empty the water tank and base and follow the separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Both steps are important and should be performed weekly. To descale the unit, pour 2 cups of undiluted distilled white vinegar in the water tank and replace the cap. Swish the solution in the tank to make sure the vinegar wets the entire inside. Place the tank on its base so the vinegar can drain into the water reservoir and loosen mineral buildup. Soak for 20 minutes. After soaking, empty the vinegar from the water tank. With the vinegar still in the base, clean the inside with a soft cloth or brush to help remove the scale. Use the soft cloth to wipe inside the tank if necessary, and then empty the vinegar from the base. Next, rinse the tank with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. Then, carefully rinse the base, ensuring that no water enters the grill. To disinfect, mix a gallon of water with a teaspoon of bleach. Pour the bleach solution into the water tank and replace the cap. Swish the solution in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Place the tank on its base to let the solution drain into the reservoir and soak for 20 minutes. Empty the solution from the tank and rinse with water until the smell of bleach is gone. Next, carefully empty and rinse the base and ensure no water enters the grill. Repeat until the smell of bleach is gone. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.